Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to go AFK in Roblox without getting kicked. All right, let's begin. If you stay idle in Roblox for around 20 minutes, the game automatically removes you. To avoid this, you need to simulate activity so the system thinks you're still playing. The simplest way to do this is by using an auto clicker. Start by opening your browser and downloading a trusted auto clicker, such as OP Auto Clicker, from its official website. Install it on your device. This works on Windows, Mac, or Android. Once installed, launch the software and configure it. Set the click interval to something consistent, like every 100 milliseconds. Then assign a start and stop hotkey so you can easily control it while in-game. After that, open Roblox and join any game. Position your cursor somewhere safe in the game. Then activate the auto clicker. It will continuously click for you, making Roblox detect constant input. Because the system registers activity, you won't be kicked for being AFK. When you want to stop, simply press your assigned hotkey to disable the auto clicker. So that's basically how you can go AFK in Roblox without getting kicked. That's it for this video. Thanks.